What is up, guys? Jesse back with Infiniti Motorsports. I'm here with Brad. Say hello. Hey. That's Boogly Woogly Woo, i.e. known as world's top sim drifter. We are here at SMP Drift in Salem, Indiana. Pretty sick. We got some freaking like a Pinto, and I don't know what that is, some little Taurus on Jeep frames, lifted with V8s. But we're here with my car. We just got here a couple minutes ago. People are already out on track. This is gonna be a long day. From what I understand, it started at about 8 a.m. this morning, and we'll be going till midnight. So yeah, we're hoping to keep the cars running till then. So yeah, we're gonna get on track here in just a minute.
I think where I'm fucking off when I go to throw, I look away and then come back. Yeah. You gotta look where you're going.
I was gonna come for the intercept. How fucking sick is that shit, dude? Just ripping the fucking marrow, huh? Fuck yeah, dude. Alright, so I've taken a couple of laps here. I'm kind of having an issue with the car getting hot. Granted, I mean, you take like 5 laps out there back to back to back, and there's no runoff to go cool down. So I'm assuming that's part of it, but I'm letting it cool down right now so I can check the water level. And then I'm also having a vacuum leak. Yesterday, I ended up deleting the evap canister, and I'm assuming I'm losing vacuum there, and that's why I'm not having any brake pressure though, so. And then this guy's out here just shredding shit.
I don't know about all that.
Killing it.
Yeah.
And it's dirty as shit. The first couple laps are really weird. Dude, I didn't want to spend money on it yet. I don't think I'm worthy of having a pizza topper yet.
So we can have
there will be a Pizza Hut.
So we can have the delivery battles.
Yeah, so having some issues with the car. We are in run group B though, so we got another 30 minutes before we head back out that way. We got a nice little spot over here in the pits set up. So yeah, we're gonna wait here just another couple minutes, check the car out, see if we can get it figured out, and then yeah, we will be out on track soon. We are sitting in the car currently. There's a bunch of people keep spinning out, including myself. It's starting to rain again, so I thought we were gonna get some dry, but nope, looks like it's raining again. Good to go? Guys, I just got done with some more laps. I'm really feeling really confident on this track. There's a couple little spots I could be doing better. And now that it's dry too, I'm more comfortable with this level of grip than just in the rain when I'm just slipping and sliding all around. So I got to get some new tires on this thing, and we're gonna get back out there. I think we're gonna have to wait an hour for Group A to go again. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the problem with running like 3 to 5 laps back to back to back, is you end up just burning the tires. These get super hot and then just start delaminating like this. So you can see, I mean, it's worn down. There's still a little tiny bit of tread left, but with all this chunking, I don't even want to risk it. I heard shit slapping around inside my wheel well a minute ago. So yeah, I don't want to risk it. I'd rather just, sorry, all shaky from the adrenaline. But yeah, you can see, I mean, just tearing off. So yeah, I guess over there they got a tire machine. I don't know, I guess I'll just wheel over the wheels or something. I don't know, we'll find out. All right, so we're over here, dropped off tires. I don't know if I'm waiting for somebody or what, but there's a couple of dogs here, kind of big and scary. I don't know, he let me pet him, he's friendly. I almost ran that one over. That dog's chill as hell, dude. He didn't fucking move a muscle. Got a little fucking shop over here at the end of the drag strip. It's a fun racetrack. I'm having a good time over here. car's getting a little hot now. Couple of spin outs.
Hey, them last tires though, you was hitting that.
Right. Well, I'm trying to. These new tires are kind of grippy, so I'm trying to like grab the handbrake to just get the right angle in. Drive through this puddle right here. Oh, what's that? Let me check the tires real quick. This fool had his exhaust come off, and my fucking tire's rubbing because I put 255s on instead of 245s. So hammered this out a little bit, and then I just raised up the coil by probably about 1/8 of an inch. Hopefully it'll fit better that way. I'm hoping it doesn't rub, because I just felt a really weird feeling where I didn't really want to fucking drift to this side for whatever reason. I'm assuming because it was rubbing, it wasn't allowing that wheel to really spin. So gonna knock out the other side. Group A is up there right now. We were getting some good doors on Group B, so hopefully we can get back out there in the next run and I'll be in the chase. It's a fucking monster truck now, brother. But it ain't gonna fucking rub no more. Honestly, I'm not even worried about it, dude. I don't care. For the super low shit, I just want my car to be functional, so that should help out quite a bit. Maybe when I get over fenders, I'll fucking drop it down a little bit, but yeah, we'll hope that will stop this. I mean, man, it just melted that tire all the way around. Bad. So yeah, and then this motherfucker right here, tightening up Heim joints. Look at all that angle, holy shit. What do you say?
I bought cheap Chinese goods. They come loose all the time.
Dude, I'm on fucking GK Tech, dude. I'm sure those things are loose right now too, but Brad's off taking a nap. His tummy was hurting. This guy's just fucking covered in mud.
Yeah, dude. I'm just accepting it at this point.
Dude, these cars are so fucking dirty, holy shit. Good? Is he going me to pass? Come on, go. Damn it, dude. It was so much fun when it was fucking dry, and now it's just slick.
Yeah, it's hella slippery.
God damn it. Oh, it's no fun now. I can't just lay into it. I gotta fucking baby it, and then it just wants to fucking go. All right, so since Tyler's car's messed up, we're gonna let him drive the fucking G, see what he thinks. We'll fucking see what he thinks about it. So. Yeah, you don't gotta give it hardly any power in this car to fucking spin them.
I just need like a couple more laps and I probably would have got it.
Alright, no, you're alright. We can go back out.
Dude, that fucking clutch though, bro. Holy fuck. And your car is extremely twitchy.
Alright, Tyler, what did you think of the G? How's the G drive compared to your car?
Car's real good. Car's real good. I don't know. Twitchy a little bit compared to mine. This is my first laps in it.
Hey, he did like fucking 12 laps and was linking it by the end. You're getting it.
It was good there. I feel like obviously I got more loft. I mean, you just have a bolt-on kit, so I was struggling to find where I needed to catch it at in the rain. Just feels like it just goes to full lock and then I end up spinning out. So, but I was doing the same thing with my car at first. It took me time to figure it out. But
Hell yeah.
it just takes laps.
Hell yeah, you said you're a piece of shit. This man found a radiator. He's gonna be drifting. He found a radiator. Shit, get out of town, dude.
It's pretty beat, but it looks like it
Dude,
might
it
work.
fucking, if it just works, bro, it fucking keeps you on track. Hell yeah. And we got the fucking E30 boy pull up over there. He's the one that had the radiator, freaking sick. We got a fucking LS E46, freaking sick. This fucking Ukrainian kid with an M4.
Dude,
Apparently he drifts it. Yeah, nah, he's a Ukrainian prince or something, dude. How you got M4 money at 18 years old? Went barely off track, and of course they had a tire sitting there for like a fucking semi-truck. Fucking did a number on the old radiator. Needs a wrench? We grab him a wrench. Oh, dude, that thing sick. Frickin' sick, dude. Fucking E36 is fucking everywhere. You don't know what to fucking do with yourself. Just a fucking parts fetcher.
I'll change you out.
Okay.
What's the gauge say, Cody?
What the fuck is arc Tissibler?
68. Huh. Yep. 63. Huh? 63.
Not the arc Tissibler. That's the color on it. It's an arc Tissibler metallic. I don't know what the fuck that is. We are in the drift car, the E36. It is working good, and we're going for a rip. Guaranteed cool shit incoming. Dude, fuck yes.
That had me nervous as shit.
It did, but dude, that fucking evasive on that fucking Blue Z, that was gangster. Woo! I thought you were for sure going into him. You fucking whoop whoop right past him. That was fucking gangster.
Fuck, that had my heart pumped.
Oh yeah, dude. We ran over a couple tires. That's no big deal. All right, you're a fucking good ass driver, bro. Don't let the fucking nerves get you. I know you can kill this shit.
Your angle kid about ran me over when I set that whole line.
Who did?
Your angle kid.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I really appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. If you could hit that like button, the subscribe button, the comment button, comment something silly, something dumb, I don't really care. Just comment something. Just do it. Takes you 2 seconds, helps me out. I appreciate it. I'm going to try to stay awake on my 5-hour drive home. So wish me luck. Super sketchy. I woke up at 2 a.m. last night to drive down here, and I will be home right about 2 a.m. So full 24-hour shift. doing cool drifts and shit. So, yeah. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.